Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Fina Shows. Since it's my 10th birthday, my mom made special 10 special food. This is the first time I've had this much food. This is one of my first feasts with 10 food for my 10th birthday. We have starters, main course, and dessert. So let's take a look at what's on the table. We have fish fry, chicken 65 fry, prawns fry, egg kalaki, biryani, mutton kolumbu, and paratha. And the three desserts are Semia kheer, gulab jamun, and mango lassi. So let's start eating. Let's start eating the starters. Now let's eat the prawns. Tastes so good. Then let's go to the chicken 65. It's so good. Let's go to the third starter. Fish. It's a really big fish. I like this kind of fish. So let's start the main course. This is the biryani that my dad made just for me for my birthday. Let's eat some of the chicken. Good. This is the best biryani I've ever tasted. Now let's go to the paratha. So this is the way I like eating it. I break it up into small pieces. Just like this. Then take the mutton curry and pour it on there. Then take some kalaki and eat it. I love eating this way. It's so yummy! To make it taste good, you have to put more curry. And take more egg and eat it up. Now come to the dessert. First, let's drink the mango juice. This lassi is so good. Can't stop drinking it. And mustachio. Let's go to my second favorite, gulab jamun. The water in it is so sweet. I also love the jamun. Now let's go to the semia kheer. It's sweet with the milk. for watching. Thank you so much, Mommy, for making all this delicious food. And thank you, Daddy, for making this biryani. Thank you so much. Thank you, viewers, for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.